Hello viewers, welcome to Aftricks. First, let me share what today's class is about and what you will learn from it. This is actually the intro class of our course. In this session, you will get a quick overview of what's inside. Here's what we will cover, what this course is all about, who this course is for and who it's not for, what topics we will teach and how the course is organized, and finally, how this course can benefit you. Alright, let's get started. Let's start with the main topic of our course. This course is all about complete affiliate marketing. I will share with you a powerful strategy that I personally follow, one that many top marketers around the world also use. I have been an affiliate marketer for almost 7 years, working mainly with digital products. Over the years, I have worked on several projects, tried many different strategies and learned a lot. Not all of my projects were successful, some failed and some worked well. But here's the good part. I studied my mistakes carefully, did a lot of research and improved my approach. The strategy I am teaching here is the one that has worked best for me, the most effective one so far. Since I have been using this strategy for a long time and getting great results, I believe if you follow this course carefully, you will be able to apply the same steps and getting better results for yourself too. Now, let's talk about who this course is for. This course is mainly for two types of people. Number one, complete beginners. If you are thinking about earning a smart income from affiliate marketing but have not yet studied, this course is made for you. I designed it to take you from the basics all the way to generating income step by step. Number two, who already doing affiliate marketing. If you are working with digital products but not seeing good results, this course will help you as well. Why? I believe one main reason people don't get good result is following the wrong strategy. No matter how much money you invest, if your strategy is off, it's very hard to succeed. Now, let's talk about who this course is not for. This course is not made for two types of people. Number one, who focused on physical or Amazon products. If you are a beginner planning to work with physical products or you are already doing Amazon product promotion, this course will not be directly useful for you. Why? Because I work only with digital products and the entire course is designed around the digital product promotion. However, the marketing funnel I will teach here can still be applied to other business models and it can help boost your sales if you adapt it correctly. Number two, who looking for shortcuts. If you want a quick and easy way, like click a few buttons and make money, so this course is not for you. I have said before, this is a complete affiliate marketing course where I will share my personal strategies step by step. So this course is best suited for those who want to build affiliate marketing as a real career and are serious about learning and applying the process. Now, we will look at our course modules and discuss exactly what you will learn. So let's get started. This is our course module. The course name is Affiliate Marketing Complete Course. We divided the course into three sections: Fundamentals, Advanced Funnel Strategy, and Traffic Secret. At the start of Fundamentals, we will cover basic affiliate marketing concepts. These basics make the practical work easier later. Next, I will share some business ideas. Using affiliate platforms, you can run other types of businesses alongside affiliate marketing. We will show a setup that helps you use the platforms fully and earn in multiple ways. Then we go to in-depth on important topics, niche selection, marketplace selection, product selection, and other key details. Toward the end of fundamentals, we will pick which marketplaces to target for our affiliate work. Then we will build a complete website from scratch. I will show this step by step practically. At the very end of fundamentals, we will talk about how to do content analysis for your website and how to prepare the content you need. Next comes one of the most exciting parts of the course, the Advanced Funnel Strategy section. Here, we will dive deep into sales funnels. We will design a complete funnel together, step by step, from start to finish. You will also learn every related feature that makes a funnel work, such as tracking, pre-sale content, and how to turn visitors into customers. In short, this section will teach you everything you need to know about building and running a high converting sales funnel. After that comes to the traffic secret section, where we will focus on traffic generation. I will give you a proven roadmap to getting quality traffic. We will cover free traffic methods including Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Quora, Reddit, and Google. And we will also go through paid traffic generation, including Meta Ads and Google Ads. So, what will you be learning in this entire course? A complete affiliate marketing strategy, website design, content writing, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube marketing, Google Ads, and Meta Ads. I hope this gives you a clear idea of what's inside the course. Now, let's talk about how you will actually benefit from this course. If you start any work without a proper plan, the chances of making mistakes are very high. But if you follow a clear roadmap, those mistakes can be reduced a lot. As I mentioned earlier, I have been following a specific strategy and roadmap for years. Inside this course, I will share the exact strategy that I personally use. I also know the common problems beginners face when they start working. I will explain those problems in detail and show you step by step how to solve them. You will also need some resources to get started. I will provide those resources to you, and in the next class I will explain how you can access them. And if you ever face any issue, you will get directly support from us. It's completely free. We have a dedicated Facebook group where you can post your question and I personally help you find the right solution. I hope this makes everything clear. Before we wrap up, let me tell you a little about myself. I am Shohil, a digital entrepreneur. I have been involved in affiliate marketing since 2018. Over the years, I have joined multiple courses, learned different strategies, and tested them through many experiments and projects. From the very beginning until now, I have been continuously researching and improving my approach. That's all for today. In the upcoming classes, you will get to know more about me, like which marketplaces I work with and what kinds of results I achieve. In the very next class, we will discuss our course module. You will see how many classes we have in total, which topics we will cover, and the order in which we will learn them. By the end of that class, you will have a clear idea about the entire course structure. So, don't miss it. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this class. If you want to learn my affiliate marketing strategies, make sure to subscribe to this channel right now. Alright, see you in the next class. Have a great day.